Good evening, Gromies. We are back in the garden today. Wanted to correct a little misinformation here. I was in the live and I thought they were about 21 days, but that was just the top of my head. So that was a few days ago, but they're actually 27 days old now out of the soil. So, got some legends. So yeah, they were actually 27 days old. Mary and Jane over here said hello. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the garden here. So we are in the 2x2 Spider Farmer again. Go ahead and get you down here. Make sure we got a nice view. I've had the tent open here for a while, so don't pay attention to those hygrometers. Of course, they're going to be low, but the temperature right now, about 75.9, so we're doing good on that. Air circulation is good. You can see them kind of lightly bouncing around down there. Trying to keep the environment nice for these little ladies. But yeah, this one on the left here, that is the Gorilla Z. Gittles from 42 there. So she is doing great, man. 2 days ago, I finally gave them their first watering. The way that I did is I layered the soil. So it was Ocean Forest and then, Happy Frog, then Ocean Forest. I did about 3 to 4 inches of the Happy Frog on top and tried to mellow it into the hotter soil. So I gave them the very first about 1.5 liters 2 days ago of water because I'm trying to introduce the mycos and the ocean forest soil to the plant, but at a slow rate, not to send them into shock or start burning tips and burning the plants. Man, I'm wonderful at doing that. So trying to be soft and gentle with this one. So far so good. I don't have any signs of stress. These ladies are just growing away. But yeah, that's the Gorilla Z on the left there. You can tell I have her tied down here, here, and here. I'm trying to stretch out those auxiliaries, get some extra light down to those sides branches. I do have a little one here that's not getting a lot of light, but as it grows and goes along, man, I just got to change things up here. I might have to do some maneuvering here a little bit more. Can only tuck and move the stuff so many times, and then it just pops right back into place. So I'm trying to keep as many of those sites open as I can. And then here on the right, we have the Face Fat, and this is from Atlas Seed, and she's already doing the pre-flower pistilling here. How close those sites are. I mean, they're so close. I have a feeling this one here is going to be dense, like, just short, dense, stocky kind of. She could surprise me, but I don't know. And you can see the difference. This one over here is a faster grower, just the strain. But look at the size of the main arteries here, man. That is a nutrient highway right there. And this one here is not shabby. It's got some good strength to that and good stem. So I'm hoping growth is going to be good. But yeah, so that's the update here in a 2x2. I do want to talk about one more thing. I had that giveaway, and Sunrise Adams said graciously give back to community due to logistics where they live. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna have a drawing coming up soon. Winner will be announced. Maybe I'll go live, maybe I won't. Let me know what you guys think about that. I want to keep it fair and transparent, so that's how it goes. But I hope everyone had a great day, man. It is Friday. The weekend's here. Time to unwind, forget about this week, and enjoy life. So until then, and until next update, I appreciate each and every last one of my new subs, my old subs, 100%. You guys are all fire, man. I appreciate every single last one of you. Everyone have a great Friday night. And like I always say, we will catch you on the next one.